Dear secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled High Tech Transport. Now we are going to read this mail and then we will answer the questions. Let's see the mail. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing on behalf of myself and the other students in my class at school. We would be very grateful if the governorate would consider organizing the expansion to our town's public transport network. The current network is not satisfactory because there are not enough buses to take children to school early in the morning. I have done some research and some children arrive at school much earlier than they need to, and the buses are very crowded. I would suggest that the governorate office either provides more buses when students travel to school or changes the bus timetable so that the buses arrive at our school 20 or 30 minutes earlier. I would be thrilled to discuss the issue further at any time that would be convenient. Then we could discuss which solution would be possible for our city. Should you have any further questions about the public transport students need, please respond to this mail. Yours faithfully, Sarah Abdelaziz. Now let's answer the question. Match these sentences with the right paragraph. We have many sentences. We are going to match them with the right paragraph. Number 1 mentions possible future discussions between the writer and the reader. We are going to know which paragraph that says this sentence. It will be paragraph E. Number 2 asks the reader to think about doing something to solve a problem. Which paragraph that expresses this sentence? It's paragraph B. Number 3 includes a possible solution for the problem. Which paragraph that has the solution for this problem? It's paragraph D. Number 4 tries to persuade the reader to believe that there is a problem. Paragraph C. Number 5 says who the suggestion for improving public transport comes from. It's paragraph A. Now match the formal phrases from 1 to 8 from the email with the informal words from A to H with the same meaning. We have here 8 sentences written in the formal mail. We are going to match them with these sentences in the informal email. Number 1, Dear Sir or Madam. Which sentence in the informal email that has the same meaning? We have to choose from A to H. So the answer will be sentence D. Hello or hi. Number 2, we would be very grateful if could. Which sentence in the second part that has the same meaning in the informal email? It will be sentence H. It would be no problem too. Number 3, the is not satisfactory. The right sentence will be A, which has the same meaning. This is not good enough. Number 4, as a result. Which sentence has the same meaning? It will be sentence F, because of that. Number 5, I would suggest that. The answer will be B. One idea is. Number 6, I would be thrilled to. The answer will be G. It would be no problem too. It has the same meaning. Number 7, should you have any further questions, please respond to this email. The same meaning in sentence, letter C. Write to me if you need to know anything else. Number 8, yours faithfully. Sentence E. By. Now we have two kinds of email. We will see the formal expressions in the formal email and the informal expressions in the informal email. Let's start with the formal email. We have some expressions like number 1, Dear Sir or Madam. Number 2, we would be very grateful if, could. Number 3, the is not satisfactory. Number 4, as a result. Number 5, I would suggest that. Now let's see the informal expressions of these 5 sentences. The first one, hello, hi. Number 2, please, could you? Number 3, the isn't good enough. Number 4, because of that. Number 5, one idea is. Now let's move to the formal expressions, starting from number 6. Number 6, I would be very happy too. Number 7, should you have any further questions, please respond to this mail. Number 8, yours faithfully. Number 9, consider working. Number 10, satisfactory. Number 11, convenient. Let's see the informal expressions from number 6. It would be no problem too. Number 7, write to me if you need to know anything else. Number 8, buy. Number 9, like to work. Number 10, good enough. Number 11, good for you. Write an email of 180 words to your friend Nadia, telling her about the advantages and disadvantages of smartphones. We are going to write an email. Your email is nabila@student.com and your friend's email is nadia@student.com. Let's start writing the email. We start with from, then to, then subject, then start writing the email. From nabila@student.com to nadia@student.com. Subject, it's the topic that we are going to write about it. Here, the subject is advantages and disadvantages of smartphones. We start writing the email with Dear. Dear Nadia, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am pleased to send you this email to tell you about my opinion of smartphones. Like anything else, smartphones have advantages and disadvantages. On the other hand, they have made communication more accessible than before. You can call anybody anywhere at any time. You can also send text messages. They allow you to send and receive video calls. You can also log on to the internet quickly. Smartphones have a lot of applications that allow you to know and follow everything through them. On the other hand, mobile phones have many disadvantages. People have stopped visiting each other because it has become easier to call them. Some young people use them in the wrong way. Also, they can cause health problems. Finally, we have to use smartphones well and benefit from them. Also, we should avoid their downsides. Now, what do you think of smartphones? I am waiting for your reply. Yours, Nadia. Now we have come to the end of this part and the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.